Didn't see you there. I'm kidding. I saw you clearly. I set up the damn camera. So I got a broken TV screen and I actually know how to fix them, and I'm gonna show you guys 1 to 2 easy steps on how to fix it. Broken. Yeah. Stop talking. So I have a broken TV screen, and you can get this stuff at home. You probably already have the supplies at home. It's so easy to fix this. Step 1 is materials, and 2, how to apply it. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we gotta wipe the surface down in order to have an effective solution of fixing the screen. So let's get started. All right, now that the wipe down's done, let's get started with the rest of the materials. That usually works, but we'll try again. Now we're making progress. Let's keep it going. Okay, hold on, buddy. I have tape. One sec. That's better.
There's a snake in my boot. Town ain't big enough for the 2 of us. Go Infinity and beyond.
Yo, I also learned that like talking really helps my like emotional and mental state. You want to talk some my mama. You also don't want to apply too much pressure on the TV when you're doing this. Puta mother. Too much. There we go. That's nice. Yeah. What? That's nice. And you know, don't be afraid to talk and then like express yourself on how you really feel. And you know, I'm not like super crazy about strawberries, but I do like them. I mean, you gotta treat yourself. I feel like if you would have just worked and you hadn't like, you know, freaked out, I mean, we could have had a really good relationship, you know? Okay, so are like all TVs related, or you guys separated by like brand and group and like, you know, but y'all like the same people? I mean, thanks for noticing. I mean, I did lose like 80 pounds in like 7 months. So I mean, it's progress, you know. Just like you could have been. It's all just stay positive. Also, what's like crazy is this is still step 1. We still have like another step to go. So you good? You okay? You want to talk about it? It's cool. I get it, man. We all have our scars. So you like date a lot, or I mean, do you just stream mostly? You don't want to talk about it, man. I'm gonna let you think, and while you're thinking and progress your stuff, I'm gonna move on to like step 2. But you know, go ahead, take your time, man.
Hiya. I hate it here. I have to spend my money.
You suck. That's for talking about my mom. I'm just saying, all you had to do was work and let me watch my shows. You're up too. How am I going to watch Mean Girls? Huh? Now I can't even finish watching Sex in the City anymore. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope we were able to fix your TV. I hope we also learned a little bit about ourselves during the process. Obviously we fixed this one. It was a great success. Did a really good job. And in order to save yourself from like expensive repairs and unnecessary accessories, just go buy a new TV.